pipes, cords and a whole lot of product, it doesn't get more cluttered than under the kitchen sink.
First things first, we need to get everything out of here. Do a good declutter. I really want to be able to see the space properly so I can measure up perfectly and get the best organising solutions in here. As I'm decluttering here, I'm sorting into light categories. So we've got stuff for dishwashing, carpet stain remover, dishwashing liquids and sprays. So it's just making everything a little more easy to see. It's amazing all these things you'll find at the back of the plumbing. I love using the white magic squares because all you need is water and it really helps getting all these rust stains off. Works really well on melamine. When it comes to measuring up underneath your kitchen sink, it's not as simple as it seems because you've got different heights, depths and widths, and it all starts with the door hinges. You're looking at about a difference of 3 centimetres of measuring up from hinge to hinge, than measuring up from side to side. You also need to consider the plumbing pipes and taps at the back as well. For something we use every day, we really should put more thought into what we're using as our bin. We want to have something functional and we want to be able to utilise our space better. I've installed the Simple Human bin here. It's a much larger bin, so I've utilised all the space properly. I've also got an area now for recycling and daily waste, and I installed it myself. For the rest of the space, I'm using the Made Smart 2-tier organiser. I love these because they also come with adjustable dividers. And of course, don't forget to label. I've also got myself a little lazy Susan in here, so it brings everything from the back to the front. Finishing things off, I've got an airtight container for the dishwashing tablets. You don't want to forget about the golden real estate on your kitchen cupboard doors. So I'm using the white magic eye hook system here. I've got 2 racks and now I've safely got a place for all those extra sprays and the garbage bags. The counter space around your kitchen sink can also become a cluttered, chaotic mess. I have some simple solutions for you. Now take a look at this. I've cleared the clutter and simplified the storage solutions. I put in an expandable dish rack, an over the sink caddy for those dish wands and a sink organiser. What a difference it's made now. So many people neglect the cleanliness of their sink and their InSinkerator. Take a look at this. So I'm going to use half an orange and sprinkle it with some baking soda as well. What I love about this is that it is non-toxic.
Solutions that can work in most kitchen spaces, big or small.
For the final touch, I don't want you guys to forget about the area on top of your kitchen sink. Think about those high touch areas like all that tapware. All you need to do is grab yourself one of these Pino Clean disinfectant wipes and give everything a nice wipe down. It not only cleans and disinfects, but leaves everything smelling so nice and fresh.
Just in time for summer.